Yahoo, Prof here, and I couldn't just let my night end, yeah, that's better, on another sore note of all reverse hollows. So here we have 5 Battle Styles packs, all Tyranitar sleeved boosters. That doesn't mean the booster inside is a Tyranitar, it just means the outer. They call this a sleeved booster. It's got to have the hang tag sort of thing on it. These were picked up a mix of Walmart, Best Buy, I don't think any Target, so probably those two over a week or so. I have 4 to 6 depending on the booster. You probably actually seen me open some of these before that I got at Walmart initially. And I kind of have these for the set aside for, like, say when a box doesn't go well, or, you know, I just need to, say I open a bunch of Amazon warehouse stuff and it's all garbage because they, you know, took all the good stuff out already. And I want to properly pull something, so that's why I keep these sleeve boosters, or what I keep these sleeve boosters for. Let's get to it. I've had 2 nights now in a row where I've only managed to pull between, I don't know, what, over 10 packs, all reverse hollows in a row. So here's our first pack. It's the Urshifu. The punchy Urshifu. Alright. It's a nice pull. Let's take a... Yeah, not much smell I mean, it's got a card smell, but the older packs seem to mature over time, you know? Either get way worse or better. Jeez, this one's tight. Got another greenback, and for Battle Styles, I do believe it does matter. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go electric. Dark. Okay. We have a Tool Jammer. Brooksish. Oh. Battery's dying. We've got our Brooksish. Our Bufolant, Baltoy, Gligar, Salandit, Bronzor, Cacnea, and Electabuzz reverse hollow. Pretty darn sure I already pulled this. And then we have Lurantis rare non-hollow. Pretty darn sure I already pulled an Electabuzz reverse hollow. I think this Electabuzz would look dope as a true hollow. Being that it's a common, that might not be available. A lot of the common cards actually look really dope in a lot of these packs. Like, there's a really good looking Eevee that's common. Alright, now we have a Urshifu, Kiki Urshifu. Ooh, that one opened real nice. These are tight packs. And we got ourselves a white back. Finally. First one in like 2-3 nights. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go grass. Water. Alright. We have Bisharp, or Bisharp, like Bishop, but sharp. Single Strike Energy. Camping Gear. Bellsprout, I like that Bellsprout. It's good, Bellsprout. Mindfu, Rapid Strike. Salandit. Yamper. Glameow. Still in focus here. Yep. And we have a reverse hollow single strike mustard. Pretty sure I would pulled that one too. And a pretty darn good pull, if I do say so myself. A Rapid Strike Urshifu of VMAX. Is it a full art hollow? I think that would be considered. Rapid Strike, looking good. I'd have to check, because I did open the... Oh, here one is. I have a couple extra. These actually came in. They only give you the Rapid Strike Urshifu V. And not the, like, it's got the border and stuff on it. With the box. So, this is kind of the next level up. And there's like 3 sleeves left in there. I have a box of yellow left. So, but then we got other fun colors that we can do. Until I can get more yellow. Alright, we have a punchy Urshifu. You would think, okay, hold on here, is the kicky one, is Rapid Strike? Thrust, Rapid Flow, I don't remember. You'd think punchy would be rapid and single would be kick, because, you know, one can punch generally faster than you can kick. I know I'm generalizing, but we got another white back, guys. Once again, if you guys are interested in those code cards, hit me up over on Twitter at the Prophecist, and let me know what video you watched and which pack you're looking for, and I'll send it on over. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with fire. Dark again. Okay, that's 2 darks. We have Karina's Focus, Perugly, Honchkrow, Gligar, Salandit, Bronzor, Cacnea, Spoink, Reverse Hollow, Single Strike Scroll of Scorn. Pretty sure we got one of those. And we have a secret rare gold, not rainbow, but gold EXP share. That's a pretty darn good pull if you ask me. If I do say so myself. One thing about this pack is that it didn't get cut well. Some of these are like torn on the backside. You can tell they're cutting machine. And then this one has a rolled over lip. So, like very like if you guys are into cars at all and you ever have to do your brakes, you feel the rotor and it's got a big old lip on it. It's kind of what this is like. I'm still happy to pull it. And I don't know if they're just not monitoring their machines, or like there's actually battle styles available. Like I said, I was at the hobby shop and you could just buy a box. I mean, they capped you at that, but you just buy a box, which since being into this for the past couple months, I have never seen you to be able to buy like just walk in a place and buy a booster box. Like that's not a pre-order. Like you can pre-order them, but like, you know, after the fact. Next up, another sleeved Tyranitar. That isn't necessarily a Tyranitar. And we got Empoleon here. That's pretty good. Got green back here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel. Probably not gonna be steel, but steel. Oh! Oh, good thing I didn't second guess myself there. So look at that. We got a steel energy. We have a Level Ball, which is actually the Spring 2021 Pokeball. The new edition was that. Spupa, Gliscor, Spoink, Roly-Coly, I like that Roly-Coly, Frillish, Esper, Blipbug, and a Reverse Hollow Cherubi, and a Galarian Slowbro. I actually quite like that card. I think I have one in Hollow. Now I think about it, but I quite like that card. Cherubi, alright. And our last sleeved booster of this video, I would say we cured the, whatever you want to call it, out of me. I think this is the Kiki Urshifu, blue one. Ooh, that pulled pretty good. You can tell these are fresh packs because they're really in the ceiling. And our greenback. So I miss greenbacks that, and maybe I don't know if it's the case or not with Battle Styles because I haven't opened that many yet. But some of these would have, like, say if you got a greenback, yes, you'd normally get just like a reverse hollow, but you'd also have a really good, not like a really good chance, but like to get like a secret rare in there. Like it was like this, like, yeah, you're not getting two hollows, but you have like a decent chance of getting like a super rare, not a decent chance, but like you could get. And I pulled some really rare stuff from cards that was just green. And then like, but also in that same pack, then you would fairly commonly get reverse hollow in that same one. So I don't know, you know, what the ratio is. I'm sure there are people out there that know that. Swordward and Shieldbert, Crawdunt, Doublade, Blipbug, Pawniard, Mankey, Single Strike, Sizzlypede, Baltoy, Reverse Hollow Mine Shao, which is a evolved form of Mine Fu. It's a rare. And then we have the exact same one, non-hollow. Because, you know, you just gotta double it up. I've actually in the same one pulled Reverse Hollow as well. Not in Battle Styles, but in previous ones. Oh, we didn't run out because we didn't get that many white backs to get doubles here. I did not run out of the yellow sleeves here. There's like 2 left. Bet you can move those into this one. Yep, perfect. So, let's take a look at what we pulled here. Okay, we have a Reverse Hollow Electabuzz, a Reverse Hollow Single Strike Mustard. Then we had our Full Art Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX. Then a Reverse Hollow Scroll of Scorn. And then our Secret Rare Gold Hollow Trainer EXP share here. That's probably the pull of the night there. And then a Reverse Hollow Cherubi. And a Reverse Hollow Mine Shao. Let me know down in the comments. What do you think about my pulls? No idea how rare the Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX is or the EXP share. But I was heckin' happy to pull them after my drought that I was going through. So subscribe to see more. We definitely have more Battle Styles, because like I said, I still have a stack of, I forget the name of the penguin, and then Urshifu, both of those. So 3 more stacks of 4 to 6 each, depending on, you know, which sleeve's on it. And yeah, we also have a live stream of a booster box of Battle Styles eventually coming up here, since we didn't get around to that when we were planning on it. And you know, a bunch of other stuff I've showed you guys. If there's something specific you want me to get to sooner that you saw in a previous video, let me know down below in the comments or over on one of our social media. You know, either me personally on Twitter or Instagram, or the channel Tech Exchange The. That is also the place you want to go if you want to know first about our latest videos, whether it be tech, mice, or Pokemans. So, hopefully we'll see you in the next one. You guys have a good one.